An Italian celebration doesn't start without a warm welcome. So, benvenuti. During the cold winter months in Italy, it is common to find Vin Brûlé at the market or at home. When it's cold and I throw a party at home, I always have a pot of Vin Brûlé perking on the stove. For your convenience, you can even put it in a slow cooker. This is how I like to set it up for my Vin Brûlé. Comfortable, so whoever comes in, they can help themselves. Some mugs. Oh, I like to have little glass mugs. They're nice because the color of the Vin Brûlé is beautiful. And these are the spices that I put in: allspice, cinnamon, cloves. And of course, the garnish is very important. A slice of orange studded with cloves. Drop it in, that extra spark. Vin Brûlé. Vin Brûlé is made all across northern Italy, where the chilly evenings sometimes come in the winter. And it is, ooh la la, bringing to boil about 2 bottles of wine. Let's lower it. And yes, when you get alcohol or wine boiling like this, that means that the alcohol is dissipating. So the drink becomes less and less strong. To flavor that was peels of orange, allspice seeds, cinnamon stick. A cinnamon stick is actually the bark of the cinnamon tree. We'll put that in. Some cloves, and we'll make a little sacchetto, a little sachet, just so we don't have to strain the wine, but all the flavors will come out. Nice and tight. Put it right in there. Put some sugar. It depends on how sweet you like it, you know. Let's see. I think this should be enough on that. Let me just mix it a little bit. Let this cook for about 20 minutes. The aroma of the spices and of the oranges really come out. So I think it's ready. And this would stay on the stove with a ladle, and whoever came in got a cup and a pour of this Vin Brûlé, just like that. All right. Okay, that's a good portion. And, you know, to this, sometimes they would add a little grappa or maybe a little brandy. And there's an old Italian saying, nel dubbio assientiti. When in doubt, leave it out. But let me tell you, I have no doubt in my mind that I want a little brandy in this traditional drink. So, just a little bit. This was for the older group. And orange, just for a refresher like this. You can dunk it in, you can hang it on the side, but I kind of like it dunked in like this. And this is my turn to celebrate. Complex. Cinnamon, cloves, all those wonderful spices. This stands out. Delicious, great memories. And, you know, there was a fireplace, il fogoler, and there were wooden benches around it. And as people would come in and out, they would sit at the bench, they would get one of these, and stories would be told.
To learn more about Lidia, access to videos, and to get recipes, tips, techniques, and much more, visit us online at lidiasitaly.com.